Okay, this is going to be a very quick look at the LoUPE Asset Manager add-on for Blender. We work with the Asset Manager from the Tool and Workspace tab. For this demo, we'll be working on Scene 10, Shot 10, so we'll switch to the Shots library. Open Scene 10, and then select Shot 10. We'll switch to the Layout team, and make sure that we have the latest working file selected. In this case, that's the version 1 that LoUPE has automatically created for us, and then we'll click Open. The Asset Manager has checked out version 1 of the layout file, so we can go back to the Asset Browser and open the Asset Library. We'll start by bringing in our alley set, so we'll open the Sets container, switch to the Surfacing team, and bring in the latest published file. We'll do the same for our barrel asset. Then we'll go ahead and make some modifications to the layout. And once we're happy with it, save and publish for a downstream team to pick up.